Hey guys, Joe here with JoeMartinMVC, and today we're going to take a look at two of the products that Turtle Wax sent me and see how well they work. Our first one will be Turtle Wax's Spray and Wipe Glass Cleaner. This is an all-in-one kit that features a spray bottle of cleaner in the bottom half and lint-free wipes in the top half, making it convenient to carry around with you and gets rid of the annoying issue of cleaning wipes that dry out on you. As we can see here, we have some very dried on nose smudges from Izion. These have been baking in the Florida sun for about 2 months now. Let's see how well it performs. So we start off by twisting the bottom half to break the seal and simply pulling the spray bottle out from the bottom. Once we have the bottle free from the wipes, we'll go ahead and spray a couple of spritzes of the cleaner onto the window and grab our first wipe. This cleaner is tint safe, so there's no worries there, and it can even be applied in direct sunlight. You can apply it by spraying directly onto the surface, or you can spray onto the cloth and clean the window that way. Since I'm working with a whole window that's rather dirty, I opted for spraying directly onto the window. After you've gone over the surface and removed all of the product, grab a fresh wipe and just go over the surface once more to really buff off and remove any residue. As we can see, the glass cleaner effortlessly removed the nose smudges and dried to a streak-free finish. I'll definitely be keeping a bottle of this in my glove compartment for when I'm on the go. On to our second product, Turtle Wax's Spray and Wipe Interior Detailer. This is also an all-in-one kit with both a spray bottle and lint-free wipes that are separate, so this also removes the worry of your interior detailing wipes drying out on you, as they always do. With our initial overview of the area we'll be working, we can see that there's a good bit of dried nose smudges, again, as well as dried dirt, slobber, and just other general grime. As you can see, it won't wipe off with just our finger, so let's see how the cleaner does. So once again, we will twist the bottom to break the seal, which was notably harder to do on this one, and we're going to spray a liberal amount of product onto the surface. Then we'll grab our lint-free wipes and begin going over the surface with them. I'm sure you can immediately see that the areas where I've sprayed and the product began to run, that it definitely left some streaks for us. The simple solution to this was to not work as large of an area at once, so you'll see me spray the area again and wipe it off again with a cloth. Now, one thing I neglected to realize is it does not say anywhere on the cleaner that it's fine to use in direct sunlight, so this was my fault for not using the product correctly originally. I can confidently say that if I did this in my garage, where there's no sunlight and it's at least a somewhat regulated area, it would have come out streak-free on the initial spray and wipe, almost guaranteed. You can also use this cleaner in the same method as the glass cleaner by spraying it directly onto the cloth and then wiping the surface. I opted to do a final pass on the door panel using this method to really remove any spots that had streaked from my misapplication, as well as to get into the more detailed areas with an area of the cloth I knew had product on it. As we move on to the final inspection in a moment, we'll be able to see that it did indeed clean up the dirt and grime, but I can't say it left the surface looking any richer than before, though the product doesn't tout the ability to do so. It did exactly as it claimed to, which was clean the surface, and add a layer of UV protection to help with the damage these panels receive over time. I can't say I would use this as my go-to product for interior detailing, but it definitely works well as a product to keep with you on the go for the small messes that may occur. I also want to give a shout out and thank you to Turtle Wax for allowing me this opportunity to review some of their products and give an honest review based on my experience with them. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, it helps a ton if you share the videos, as well as like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with new content as it comes out. Thanks for watching. Take care.